Hello and welcome to another SY Diagnostics video, and today I'm going to show you on a Mk4 Focus how to reset the oil life. Okay, so the process is carried out using the steering wheel function buttons here. So what we do, if you look at the top of the screen where the dashboard display is, using this button here we just keep flicking it down until we get to settings. Once we're on settings, we press this little button with the three lines on it and it instantly goes to information. We press OK and then we've got oil life, so we press OK again and then we press OK once more and keep it held down, and that will reset the oil light until it says successful. As you can see now it says 100%. And then we just use the back button one more time again, then use a scroll up button to take it back to whichever function it was on. On this one it was in the trip computer. Hope that was helpful.